Bluetti delivers convenience to you with easy power access. Welcome to Bluetti support. This is the innovative AC300 solar power station. It has a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter and supports 3,000 watt AC max 2,400 watt max PV recharging and AC plus solar dual 5,400 watt recharging. With cutting-edge split battery module workmanship, you can expand the capacity with 1 to 4 B300 battery modules according to your needs. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect the AC300 power station with the B300 battery module. First, pick up the P090D battery expansion cable from the box of the B300. Open the battery expansion port cover, plug it in until you hear the click, and push the switch to lock the cable. Next, connect the other side of the battery expansion cable to the B300 battery module. Repeat the steps. Open the cover, plug it in, and push to lock. We've finished the installation. Long press the power button of the AC300 or B300. Tap the battery icon in the middle of the screen and you can view the battery connection state and state of charge. Just repeat the above steps. Hot swapping technology allows you to connect B300 to AC300 anytime. Tap the battery icon in the middle of the screen and you can view the battery connection state and state of charge of either battery. Kindly note, these 4 B300s should be divided into 2 groups and connected to the 2 battery expansion ports of the AC300 respectively. This guarantees a stable power supply. That's all for today. If you like our channel, please hit the subscribe button. And we have contacts below. If you have questions, feel free to contact us.